Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you what a course error is, why it happens, and how you solve this issue. So this is what you will most probably have on your screen. Just to give you a little background, course stands for cross origin resource sharing, and it happens when your Vue app tries to call an API from a different domain, port, or protocol, and the server blocks it. Now this block is usually due to a security measure, and I will show you how to fix that. Just to be sure on this one, this is a browser security rule, so this is not a Vue bug. And the second important part I want to make sure here is that this should be resolved from your backend application and not from your front-end Vue application. So let's first see what line of codes you need in order to block it through your front end. As I said, this is just for testing purpose. This is not for production. So here is the code. As you can see, it is a proxy where when we call an API, we target the application address including the port. So this is the backend application which we are connecting, and we are just rewriting it so that we can allow the browser to go through and don't give the error as it is happening for now. So this browser thinks that the request is going to the same origin, but actually we secretly forwards it to the backend. So how this can be done in production is that we need to fix it from the backend. We already have a video about fixing this from the backend on our channel, so you can have a look at that. So this is it. I hope this helped. Like the video and comment if you have any questions, and I will be seeing you in the next one.